Yo, first order of the day is a stack, $17.50 going 9 miles for Donut Nook and muchas gracias. There is $2.50 peak pay at the moment. I'm actually not sure if it applies to both orders individually or if it's just slapped onto the top.
Your destination is on the right.
Thank you. Thank you. What the? I didn't look at the total for each order, but that ended up being $21. Not bad. Next order came in right away. It's a shop and deliver. I believe it was only 4 items. It was like $17 going 5 miles. Don't tell me they don't have it. How are they out of sriracha, man?
I'll be do 2.
Just got another shop and deliver order. This one was $16 going 3 miles. Only 4 items. Looks like this is all medicine, so it should be an easy one. Should all be in the same aisle. We don't have this one. Yeah, I'm looking for just the regular version of this, not the high blood pressure, but it doesn't look like you've got it.
Paul, I need a price check on one, please. Well, it's the avocados. She thinks there were 5s.
I don't carry cash on me, man. Sorry. I deliver food, my guy. I don't have change. Coyote? Got my next order. It's for McDonald's. I believe it's at $8 going like 3 miles.
CA3.
Next order up is another McDonald's. $8 going about 3 miles.
I'm sorry, can you repeat?
5BA.
Oh, 5. Sorry about that. Here we go.
Thank you. Next order came in right away. It's from the same McDonald's. $9 going about 4 miles this time. Been 8.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Enter your pickup at McDonald's.
This one is $11 going 5 miles. Thank you. Next order just came in. Chick-fil-A, $9 going 3 miles. I doubt it's ready, but I'm right in the parking lot, so let's go inside.
Is there a DoorDash for Patrick? I have that grub cup for instant matching. Mobile carry out for Alina K. Uber Eats for.
So I've been sitting here for maybe 20 minutes now, declining orders. I'm not even being picky either. There are no orders worth taking. I think they've paused my dash maybe 4 or 5 times in those 20 minutes. So I'm thinking about just calling it a day. Current time is 10:48. Current total is like 103. And I have 1 Uber tip yet to come in. It's gonna take me to 110. I was making really good money for a few hours, but it has slowed down like crazy. I think that's my sign to slow down too. So I'm gonna start heading home. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. And yeah. Bye.